My name is Rebecca Hosbach, and I did my speech on the Keyphrase cipher. The Keyphrase cipher uses a 26-letter phrase for the cipher alphabet. It can be longer than that, but you would just omit everything after the 26 letters. For example, give me liberty or give me death is 26 letters. This is written out, and then the normal alphabet is written above each letter. A ciphertext letter may stand for more than one plaintext letter. So to encode, you would decide your 26-letter key phrase. You would write out the 26-letter key phrase with the normal alphabet over the top. Then you would follow each cipher letter to the above plaintext and then write this down. So my ciphertext would then be the early bird catches the worm, and then you would write the plaintext above it and then follow down to make sure everything equals the other letters. And that was what you would use as your key to send the messages. So you would decide what the message is that you would want to send. So a message, for example, could be every cloud has a silver lining. Using the key phrase from the previous slide, you would encrypt your message. To decipher, you would have to know the key phrase that you and your buddy decide upon. Therefore, you know what the cipher alphabet is and which plaintext letter stands for each cipher letter. Using the key phrase on slide 2, we can decrypt the message. Remember that the ciphertext letter can stand for more than one plaintext letter. So for here, we have a ciphertext. And as you can see, there is more than one E in the ciphertext. So you would just go by which E appears first in your ciphertext letter. So then Merry Christmas would be your plaintext. For some vulnerabilities, a good security thing would be a person has to know the key phrase in order to solve the cipher. If the message is too short, the message could be easier for somebody to break. And then the repeats of the cipher letters help the security of the key phrase cipher. And another thing that helps it is that it has to be a 26-letter phrase that you would have to make up in order to start the key phrase cipher. That is it.